Yo, what is up? Me again. I know I haven't posted in a while because I sold my old camera to get a new one, and today we're gonna go try that out today at a car show event going on in downtown Phoenix today. So check that out a little bit, grab some content because I haven't shot with my new camera. So I just grabbed the Sony A7 IV, so test that out. Then we're gonna be taking the Camaro here. It's not purple no more, it's orange. But yeah, let's see how it goes. But I am on my way over there, and obviously I'm gonna grab a lot of content. I'm gonna try to because I'm gonna get the GoPro mounted on my chest. So yeah, let's go. Let's see how it goes. See how it turns out. Look, I want you guys to hear the cold start on this. Needs more loud. But guys, we have made it. Sheesh. Sitting low. They said S2K. But yeah, we got the new Sony A7R IV with me. So I'll try it out with the new kit lens. This card over here. Weed. Alright, but yeah, we're gonna try it out. I'm gonna stick the new DJI action on me, on my chest, so I can get the point of view. Brought the CPL filter for the iPhone just in case, some video. Then, oh my god, I think I forgot the little piece I'm supposed to carry for the camera so I can get my phone shot. Oh yeah, we got cars lining up over there, parking. But yeah, let's get it. I just got some test footage of my car first. See, I like it, the settings and everything. alrighty, I think that's a wrap for today. Grabbed a lot of content, got the GoPro still on me, got my camera here ready to go. But yeah, I did a lot of content today. It was a lot of cars, they're just leaving too, but it was fun. It was good to be back after taking a little break because I sold my camera, buy the new one, and we about to see how the pics come out and everything. So yeah, let's go, get ready to go home. And the event ends at 12, but I'm trying to go watch some NFL, you know. But yeah, so the event was good, it was fun, saw a lot of dope cars, pretty packed actually. But yeah, let's see how it goes. But be tuned for the video when I upload it and everything. So yeah, let's go.